Welcome to qnawire.
In problem 12, we have data on 3 diets that a researcher wants to compare, and the researcher wants to see whether there's any difference in weight gains of athletes following one of the 3 special diets. So the data shows the weight gain in pounds, and we have a computer printout of the analysis of variance conducted at the 0.05 level of significance. So we're going to answer the question, is there any difference in the diets? And the first thing we need to do is to state the hypothesis. Then we compare the p-value to the level of significance so that we can make the decision. So first thing, the null hypothesis is mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3. Mu1 is the mean for the first diet, diet A, mu2 is the mean for diet B, and mu3 is the mean for diet C. And the null hypothesis states that all the 3 means are equal. The alternative hypothesis will state that at least one mean is different from the others. Next, in the research, the level of significance alpha is given as 0.05, and the criteria that is going to be used to make the decision is a comparison of the p-value and the level of significance. So in this case, the p-value is given as 0.00797, and alpha, the level of significance, is 0.05. So you notice that the p-value is smaller than the level of significance because the values here as fractions. You can see that the p-value is smaller than the level of significance, and when the p-value is smaller than the level of significance, we have to make the decision to reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion that we need to make from that decision is that there is there is enough evidence to show or to conclude that at least one mean is different from the others. So to answer the researcher's question, are the diets different? The answer is yes. There's at least one mean that is different from the others. So not all these 3 diets would be the same.